Insects are often overlooked, yet they are the backbone of Earth's ecosystems. Imagining a world without insects reveals how critical they are to life on our planet. If all insects suddenly disappeared, the consequences would be catastrophic, affecting nearly every aspect of life. One of the most immediate and severe impacts would be the collapse of pollination. Insects like bees, butterflies, and beetles are primary pollinators for most flowering plants, including many fruits, vegetables, and nuts. Without them, crops such as apples, almonds, and coffee would drastically decline, leading to global food shortages. Farmers would struggle to hand-pollinate plants, a method that is labor-intensive, costly, and far less effective. This would result in higher food prices and increased malnutrition, especially in vulnerable regions. In addition to pollination, insects play a vital role in nutrient recycling. Decomposers like beetles, ants, and flies break down dead plants and animals, returning essential nutrients to the soil. Without insects, this process would slow down dramatically, causing organic waste to accumulate and soil fertility to plummet. Plant growth would suffer, further destabilizing food chains and ecosystems. The disappearance of insects would also devastate food webs. Many animals, such as birds, amphibians, reptiles, and mammals, rely on insects as a primary food source. Insectivorous species would face starvation, leading to population declines and possible extinctions. This imbalance would ripple through ecosystems, potentially causing predator and prey relationships to collapse. Moreover, insects help control pest populations. Predatory insects like ladybugs and dragonflies naturally manage pests that harm crops. Without these natural controls, pest populations would surge, leading to increased crop damage and forcing greater reliance on chemical pesticides. This would harm the environment and human health. Insects also contribute to soil aeration and structure. Species like ants and termites tunnel through the ground, mixing soil layers and improving water infiltration. Their absence would lead to compacted, less fertile soil, further impairing plant growth and agriculture. Even cultural and economic aspects would suffer. Many societies celebrate insects in festivals, art, and cuisine. The disappearance of insects would erase these traditions and disrupt industries that depend on them, such as silk production and beekeeping.